Now, with a closer look, this is the RTV6 Spotlight.
Hi, and welcome to RTV6 Spotlight. I'm Laura Kirtley. Joining us today is Daniel Richins, the campus president at Lincoln Tech, a trade school here in Indianapolis. And Daniel, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
Well, tell us a bit about Lincoln Tech and what the school has to offer.
Sure. Well, Lincoln Tech has been educating Hoosiers since 1962 by providing hands-on, skill-focused training programs such as automotive technology, CNC machining, collision repair. We have a diesel and truck technology program. We have electrical and electronic systems technology. And this summer, we're excited to launch a welding and metal fabrication technology program as well.
Well, the Lincoln Tech Indianapolis campus has a lot of opportunities that other schools might not offer. So tell us a bit about those opportunities.
Sure. For instance, in the CNC program, we've partnered with Haas Automation, and we recently opened the Gene Haas Center for Advanced Automation, which gives our students a real-world opportunity to operate in that environment.
Well, why is now such a good time for students to enroll and get some of these trainings that will lead to new careers?
Well, many industries are experiencing what's called a skills gap. It's simply a lack of qualified candidates with those skills needed to fill the open positions, and Lincoln Tech is actively engaged in addressing the need for those technicians.
Well, for those students who are interested, do you offer financial aid, career guidance, that sort of thing?
Sure, we have a career services team to help with interviews, with job placement. We also have a financial aid team who is available to talk to students about any grants or scholarships for which they may qualify, and to let them know how they can fund their tuition and education.
And where can viewers go for more information?
They can go to lincolntech.edu.
All right, great information, Daniel. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching. This has been an RTV6 Spotlight. I'm Laura Kirtley.